So, as rightly said, every network is net worth. So, as a law intern, as a law student, I have nothing to lose. If I try, if people turn up, that's a helping hand. If they don't turn up, then nothing to lose. First, that should be your attitude. You should be always positive and you should be always polite. These are the basic behavior expected or helps you out growing your network. You can also get through different companies website or law firms website. You can apply through email id, hr email id, and recommendations on LinkedIn if you have any. First, I would like to request you should contact your anybody from home who can help you out with the internship as an email id, or they can help you out with any professional in the company or legal department or law firm, because they are the basic contact you have and you should make use of it. If your area of interest and the company's area of working is same, so that it helps you on in a career path early. So I was emailing. My friend used to say, "You love writing email." I said yes, because I don't have references and I don't have recommendations for my internships. So I wrote an email, a very good email. I was also improving my email when I was not knowing how to write an email and how to I could grow up with writing and ending up with writing best emails, and I could make through internships. So I could write an email to Manu Patra and different companies only through their HR email ID. And I can also I also got help through LinkedIn, because out of 1,000 I used to message, and out of those 100 used to respond, and out of 100 20 to 30 people used to give their email ID, and out of 20 to 30 people's email ID, and depending on the openings and depending on the locations and depending on my job role, previous internships and area of interest and willingness to intern, and whether they can accommodate or me or not, and whether it was I was available for paid or unpaid internships, all those challenges you have to accept. And you need to get a label of the company or law firm over your over your resume, because that matters, because you are going to learn. They are going to train you. So for training nobody pays, and if you're working very good, so you can end up making a career over there in that organization. Okay, so I'd be whatever contacts you make over LinkedIn or through Facebook or through WhatsApp or through your professors, your skills, your internships, and your that thing. Okay, so these are the things. And like, you should also try out over sitting at home for RTI and basic things, because that helps you out as a law student or as a law intern to grow your skills and research skills, or whatever skills you have. You should be putting out on the resume paper, because that is your face to the company, and your email should contain all the things whatever is there in you. It shouldn't contain which you lack or which you don't have, because again it will make a negative impact for your internships at the place. So that's it. Thank you.